누가 술 겁나 먹고 뻗었나? 입장료가 없다던데. I got the right one. Thank you. 너무 잘했네.
I record here from South Korea.
PC가. So, director? 와우. 다들 프렌들리하고. 무츠바디?
Smadi?
Thank you so much.
Good, good.
근데 앉을 데가 없네? Is it okay if I share here? So,
Lovely place.
yeah.
Good, that's that.
Yeah. No, yeah.
I love
Guys
camera.
from Korea.
안녕하세요. 어떠세요?
Oh, really? You can
Cheers.
speak Korean? Oh my
Right.
god.
In about 1999, mate, I had a very good friend called Chang Lee, and me and him I used to teach him Georgian songs, he used to teach me Korean songs.
Chang Lee?
And then what happens when the Koreans are born? When they are born, they're 1 year old already. Yes?
Yeah.
Cheers to Korea, my
Oh,
friend.
yeah.
Welcome to Georgia.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Wow.
This boy
I'm honored.
from Korea.
How do you know that? Wow.
Well, I've already exhausted my knowledge about Korea. I told you everything I knew. Eat some tradi, man. Oh, you got some.
Oh, you can have some too, yeah.
Hachapuri, man. Taste.
I like in war
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
Where did you get it, by the way?
Oh, it was just a guy, man. Just
I wanna
selling
buy
it.
it.
Guy and
I wanna
the
get it too.
Here,
Give
here.
him one. But
No.
Give
I'll buy you another.
Really,
I'll buy
really,
you another.
really?
I'll buy you
Wow.
another.
Wow, I got it. Wow.
Yeah, we've got another one, man. Look.
Thank you. Wow.
We were having dinner and the guy was like selling. I was like, no, like just think people selling things.
I'll
and
get more wine. Do you want
then
some
I
wine? Red or white?
Anything's okay. Really, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I feel I'm really lucky here.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You deserve it.
Oh.
Right now.
Thank you so much, man. Wow.
This is for you, mate.
Do you know what age this guy is?
Yeah.
Years of age.
I was
Doesn't
your
look
age
it.
when I met this woman.
Really?
Yes, I was
Ah.
your age. Since then, I've got too many grey hairs.
I still have a chance then. Oh.
In many ways, South Korea and Georgia, because we had the Soviet Union touch and then South Korean, probably there's a lot of similarities, yeah? The way we handled COVID as well, South Korea and Georgia very similar. We copied your formula. South Korea's done very well. I don't know if it was for statistics or it was just done properly. I don't know. But
I don't care, babe.
in Georgia, 2008, 1992, when I was 12 years old, we've seen war with
There's
Russia.
not many people like me.
Let me tell you what's going on in Georgia right now.
happening
No, listen to this, right? Last
Sad,
20,
I feel
last
really
20,
sad.
last 20 years, right? We had the war with Russia,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Since the Ukrainian war, now what happened in Georgia, right? Last 2 months, so many Russians. See the table on the left. The Georgian guys are having a feast with Russian women, and so many Russians are around us, right? And they're having a good time. I don't have any problems against them, but. You see a lot of Russians in Georgia right now. It's like what's going on, yeah? It's a local. It's my friend works in the airport, and first 2 days after the war, there was a 1,500 Russians arrived. It's never happened before, babe. Our border's always been
Do you know
open.
why?
I don't know. I don't know
It's
why.
like Russian people don't
Yeah.
want this either. Nobody wants
Yeah.
war.
Babe, last cigarette.
It's happened to everybody,
You
and
smoke?
it makes me very, very sad.
I do a fake smoking, so it's okay.
Yeah.
It must get annoyed with me because I watch what's going on.
I'm a
in
good
Ukraine
producer.
Every single day, I watch.
Thank you, please.
I watch.
Yeah.
So may I ask you something stupid question?
Yeah. No.
How can you get this pretty wife? Can I ask you? So I really envy you, man.
You got to be to get such a woman. You still no other chance if you are any older than that. Right?
Oh, you're my hero then.
I was the same age as you, and I did everything.
You're nearly 30.
I did everything illegal. Otherwise, I would dodge every bloody rule to have her. Yeah, true, babe. Very true. I mean, come on.
Yeah, be honest, it's
Hectic.
quite ridiculous how we
No
know
words
each
can
other,
describe
to be
it, man.
honest.
And I'm Georgian. You know, I shut my eyes and I go like that. Here, it's mine. We used to kidnap the women. See the women in 1990s when
Wow.
we used to kidnap them.
I like TikTok. My daughters think I'm really funny because I never. I would, once upon a time, I would say
This is a TikTok.
Facebook,
This is a
TikTok.
TikTok grandmother.
and I would never.
Have you ever seen TikTok grandmother?
Look at TikTok, right? So now TikTok puts
Beautiful day.
a thing in the bowl. It sanitizes off.
Beautiful
the
day.
veg.
Can I go around?
There's good. China, India.
It's very interesting, and let me do this little bit of intro for your today's wine festival in Tasminda. On top of Tasminda is the place. See this place? It's our childhood place. When I was a kid, my parents used to bring me up here. There's a very famous restaurant down there, which is very Soviet, old days, years ago. It's always been there. There's a wine festival here, basically, which means all the wine producers, the people who made the wine in this country, which is, let me give you a rough idea, it's about 2,000 types of wines in whole wide world, yeah, and about 500 types of grapes comes in Georgia. So pretty much you got over 500 wine producers just there, which I will show you, over there, yeah, over there. So each region differentiates from each other because each one's got a different climate, so each one gives you different flavors and different sort of wine tasting opportunities. So use as a South Korean and a Scottish lady here, which is the most beautiful lady we've ever seen. But then, you know what? You need to tell us what face cream you use in South Korea. We'll be very interesting. We'll be importing. No, Johnny, please don't, Johnny, don't. Let's not bend the question. So I would like you to tell me about your wine experience today. It's our kind of heart and soul. Okay, so let's listen to Mr. Yun from South Korea.
First was like how did I feel like walking around here, right?
Yeah, like tasting the wine. I'm talking about the more wine rather than whole experience. The whole experience is great. It's like.
But you didn't find the good one to answer this question is because I don't really like. I'm really easygoing person. That's a problem. So I can drink any kind of alcohol. There's so many wine experts in my country, but I'm like a really easygoing.
Do you produce any wine in Korea?
Nope.
There's an opportunity for you to import the wine in South Korea.
We import a lot.
So
we usually import
Australian
wine from
Australia, French wine.
French wine's good.
French wine is good, yeah.
So
if you give them a little bit, of knowledge and tell them before even the French people were born, Georgians were making wine very first time.
Right?
Yeah. So
that's
we don't.
Making this.
So we know, right? Okay. So we're gonna keep in touch.
Koreans are importing wine from France because it's not been publicised as much as French wines.
No, tell us about the Scottish experience. What's your
Scottish experience?
What's your experience here? Concentrate about the wine rather than the whole thing.
I totally love Georgia. Georgia's got everything. Good food, good people, good wine, good places to go. It's very historic, and I think offering me is very affordable. A lot of countries are very, very expensive.
You want a wine?
If you're gonna get more, then
yeah, of course, man.
Just go buy a bottle.
Right, I'll go. So we can say, okay, give me money so we can see here.
I just don't like that. I prefer to buy than
It's okay. We get it.
No.
I can pay, but
No. Chill out. Come on, mate. Yeah, you sitting here or no? Today we would have done the same. Maybe me and her are. It's Scottish.
We came to Korea, you would do it for us. Like you're our guest tonight. Thank you.
What can I do for you guys?
What kind should I get?
Well, we've all been drinking red, so we get a nice bottle of red. Georgia's very, very lovely place, and which is a good thing. Is it's very affordable, very nice people. What is it?
What do I do for
What are you crying about?
아니 그 와인을 사오셨어 지금 같이. 이렇게 자리 앉게 해주신 것만 해도 감사한데 이걸 껴주셔가지고.
What did I say today? It doesn't matter how much.
How can we say something in Korean?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
How can we say? You don't say that. You don't say.
Just 말들어봐.
Just keep things non-political.
Tell you, I can talk about.
Have a glass.
I'm good. I got it. Okay, just got it. Thank you.
I won't do us any harm.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
So how much Korea and Georgia does economical or cultural exchanges? I know very good girl, speaks very good Korean, she's very established. I can't remember her name, she's in my face, she speaks fluent Korean. She's on Korean TVs a lot. I can speak to her. Just keep in touch. You have Facebook?
Yeah.
I know South Korean culture very well. Put it this way.
나를.
Zura's get.
I come from Rustavi. You know Rustavi? next city.
20
minutes drive
About
from here.
half an hour
Ah.
drive.
It's a small city, you should come.
Yeah. Just.
Half an hour drive.
It's
He's
very
only
small,
here for
peaceful.
4 days. He's only. When do you go back?
I don't have any plans.
No plans.
I'm easy going, man.
You should come to the Slough, definitely. Before you
Well,
go.
if you invite me, definitely there, of course,
Yeah, but-
of course.
Definitely.
Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, tomorrow will be hangover, mate.
Oh, yeah.
More than welcome that boy to come down to the Slough. We go for a good day tour.
Your mum would make him welcome. You sound dead, then I can't believe you're 37. You do not look it. You look, I would say, 28 most.
Am I 28? Ah, come on. No.
That man some cigarette money for the cigarettes, please. No,
He's not
I-
gonna take it. Can you put that
No,
in there,
babe,
babe?
I
Babe,
don't
please.
like doing
babe,
that. Could you
babe,
just give them
Can you, babe? See if
could
I
you
tell
give
them
them
they're
a
gonna
couple of Larry or
they're gonna
something?
punch me. So can you?
I don't like
It's a
doing
different
that to
culture,
her.
Johnny. It's a different culture. If I give the money for a cigarette, I'm gonna get punched. So can you put the purse in the bag, please? Man, drink up, man.
Cheers, babe.
Babe, I don't.
Very, very nice meeting you. Very nice meeting you. Do you know, like,
Do you know what I
I
remember?
meet
Thank
some
you.
cultures, but I've never met a Korean guy before.
No?
No, I've never met a Korean guy. No, it used to be party
Same as
culture.
same as
But
same
the
as if you
Russians took
say
over.
if you are in South Korea and you say
Do you know I get
let's go to North
in
Korea.
your hand to one Korean guy?
The screenshot. Why is it not working? Oh, it's working.
Don't.
No. Hold the hand. Handshake. This is a history handshake, please.
Why?
The one North Korean guy to one Scottish.
He's South Korean, babe. Don't. Oh my God. She's got good heart, mate. Yeah, this is what you. Because she called you North Korean, she loves you.
lucky
Imagine, yeah, she called you. You're North Korean, she loves you. Imagine that, yeah.
She
Never-
likes me
she
because
says,
she
"I
knows that I'm North Korean.
No, she
Babe,
doesn't.
if we came from North Korea, South Korea, he's a human being.
Yeah, she's got a heart for everybody, brother.
Human being.
This is how it should be. It's how it should be. It's how it should
I
be.
don't
Yeah,
actually
you should.
care about where you come from. I don't actually know about North Korea.
Welcome to
South
Scotland.
Oh,
Korea. Where you come from?
We stay in touch.
of course.
Good job we do this.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
we do.
Oh, you do that too? The pinky swear?
We do this, yeah.
What about Scotland? You do that too?
Yes, we do.
You do that too? Really?
Same,
same.
What about this?
Okay, promise.
Yeah.
This is for something else.
Men things?
No, don't ask me. This is for us.
Okay.
I'll keep that in my pocket.
Okay. I'm sorry for that. 아, 너무 잘 얻어먹고 너무 취해서 화장실 없나? 큰일 났다. 6시 안 끝나고 한참 더 하는 것 같아요. I wish I can do that, but dancing is dying. Oh my gosh. How come it's only one there? Not? Oh my gosh. Thank you for being quick. 내려가는 인파가 이래요. 이렇게 사람 많아가지고 택시를 잡으면 겁나 오래 걸리고 이렇게 1시간을 내려가야 되는 거, 그것만 감안하면 굉장히 좋은 시간을 가질 수 있습니다.
I think that. And there was I don't know, people trying to. Oh, we have a new friend from Korea. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Kwangmin.
Wang Ming.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Carolina.
Yeah, Carolina.
Japan?
Oh yeah, you can see the flag, right?
South Korea.
Yeah, South Korea. What about you?
Ukraine.
Ukraine? Wow, I'm so sad. You know, I'm traveling around the world, and your country is one of the biggest destinations for me, but I can't.
There's too many people have work in your country from Ukraine. Yeah?
Oh,